Hello friends, welcome to my channel Vidisha's Creations. In this video we will make something different with coffee. So let's start. As always, I would like to inform you materials which is required to make coffee painting. So first we need coffee, any coffee powder you can use. Second, water. Third, water sketch familiar paper. It should be 200 GSM or at least 180 GSM. Okay, so these are some soft brushes which we can use. Okay, any soft brush you can use. And if you have watercolor brushes, then you can use that brushes also. Okay, so let's start. Pencil, eraser and sharpener. Okay, this is plain paper. First we will make the coffee. Today we will use only two shades of coffee. So first I am taking this much coffee. Okay, I am putting here, and second this much, just half of that amount. Okay, see, this is the half amount. I am taking half amount, first and second. Okay, now I'll add the water, 1 and 1 equal, because coffee ratio is different, so water should be equal, then you will get two different shades. Now I'll mix it properly. It should be dilute very nicely. See, it's done. Now I'll mix it this section also. Okay, now see the difference of both the shades. See, this is one shade and that is another shade. See the difference? I think you cannot see the difference properly, so I'll add some more coffee here. Okay, because I need one dark shade and one light shade. Just mix it. Okay, now you can see the difference. This is dark and this is light. Now we will start. Today we will not draw. If you are not comfortable, then you can draw. Otherwise I'll make flower using any pencil. We will use directly on the paper and we will make directly on the base. So first I am using this shade, the light one. Okay, and just make the like this. Okay, again I am using this shade only, like this. Okay, and again I am using this stroke. Okay, now I am using dark shade and just it should be diluted properly. It is not diluted yet. Okay, and just make one petal here. Okay, see the difference? You can see the difference? Yes. Otherwise it is okay. Okay, now like this. Okay, now again I'm making one flower here. Just make the simple lines to make petals like this. Again I am using the dark shade and just make some petals over there. I think it is easy way to learn and you can understand. Okay, somewhere it is dark and somewhere it is light. If you are not very familiar about coffee painting, so you can wait until the light portion will get dry, then you can use dry portion. Okay, now we'll make little big flower. See, I'm not taking coffee, this is the lightest shade. Just take the dark and just make it like this. If you are doing watercolor painting, then you can make it easily, or if you are not familiar about water painting, तब भी आप कर सकते हो, it's not an issue. Just have patience. Like this, see, these are some flower petals. After that, just take this light and just make some petals like this. Okay, now again just take the dark one like this. Okay, now I'm taking the lightest shade of the shade because I made only 2 shades, and just start from there. Like this. Okay, now I am taking dark shade of this coffee and just draw the okay. Now we can make some, this is dark shade, and now I'm taking light shade and just take one line over there. Okay, this is for bud. Okay, now just make some lines over there like this. Now I'll use little bit of if you have food color, then you can use food color. Otherwise, if you don't have any other food color and you have any other color, just take, I'm taking food color. Okay, and just like this. Then you can use poster color, fabric color, any other color you can use it. Okay, to make like this. Just put, see, this is leaf. Okay, it looks easy, but it is not very easy, so you need to do more practice. Okay, okay, again I am making this flower again for you, so you can do some more practice to make this flower. See, I am taking dark shade, just make like this. Okay, again I am taking dark and just make the line like this, 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, now wash your brush, take the lightest shade like this, and just take color from there and just okay, this is the flower. This is the technique how to make the different flower. Okay, again if you want to make the background, then you can make like this. Just take this lightest shade and put it here. take 1 spoon of water. Now got the very light shade. Because flower is dark, so you need to make background light. Just make it like this. Once it gets dry, it will not get spread, so don't worry. It is wet, so it is spreading. Background is not necessary, but if you will make background, that it will look good. That's why I am making. Your presentation will be good. That's why background is compulsion. Otherwise it's okay if you are not able to make the background. If you don't want to make background, that it's okay. It's totally up to you. It's your choice. Okay, you can keep it like this. Otherwise you can take dark shade and just tapping around the object or subject like this. Because it's wet, so it will get spread automatically. Okay, you can make it like this. Somewhere you can put some colors. Again I am saying, if you don't have food color, so which color you have, like poster color, acrylic color, watercolor, you can use that color to make leaf. Okay, so don't worry about that. Just do some more practice. Okay, bye, take care.